guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this American Racing and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So check this bad boy out. This is the American Racing AR942. They come in the size 20 by 9.5 plus 15, bolt pattern 5115, and then in the matte black with gloss black lip. It's a pretty cool feature because it's like a two-tone. Whenever you shop for this wheel, make sure to shop AR942 MB2095-1515. It'll take you straight to this wheel. So I'll pop this bad boy open. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. So get this guy out and showcase it for you. These do come in a couple, another color. I think it's the gunmetal with the polished lip, but this is the black. So we stuck her out. Here you go. American Racing AR942 live, matte black with the gloss black lip. Looks really good. Pop-in center cap with the AR logo right there. TPMS sensor is compatible to this, so it's a nice 5-spoke split wheel. Real cool. Let me give you the lip size on this. So this is a 20 by 9.5, so it's about 2 3/4 of an inch, almost 3. So there you go. Yeah, almost 3. Cool. So good looking style wheel. I think mainly this fits like Dodge Chargers, Challengers, 5115. I think it's a great conical seat. Lug nuts will go right in. And then center board is again 71.5 on the backside, so this is hub centric for those Chargers or Challengers. It's a great fit, and let us know if you need them. So this is the AR942 live. If you guys are interested, don't hesitate, give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.